Hey guys, Josh from Jsai Aero here. Today I'm going to install an airbox onto one of our S15s. Now I'm going to show you one of the ways that it can be done, but mainly I want to try and answer some of the common questions you guys have about this product. Now, mainly the most common question you guys ask is, will this or won't this airbox fit my turbo or intercooler setup? So stick around and hopefully by the end of this video, I will have answered those questions. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and removed the standard airbox. And while I was there, I removed one of the nuts holding in the charcoal canister and two of the bolts holding in the guard. They're going to be used as mounting points, along with the last bolt which held in the standard airbox, which is attached to the chassis rail. Now this car is running the standard intercooler piping, and we're going to have to make an incision in the side of the airbox to go over that intercooler piping, as you can see here. While I was there cutting, I also cut out and drilled the template for the standard airflow meter to bolt up to the airbox, like so. Eventually I'm going to put a pod filter on the inside, air filter on the outside, and bolt it together. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to put this airbox in. I've bolted the airflow meter to the air filter with the airbox sandwiched in between. Next, I'm going to aim to get this tab over the last long bolt, which is hanging out of the chassis rail, which was attached to the standard airbox. And I do that by putting the airbox in on an angle like so, aiming to get that tab to go over that bolt. Pull it down like so. Now we don't want this tab to go over the bolt in the charcoal canister yet. We're aiming to get the intake pipe over the airflow meter like so. Once that's on and into position, we do it up. Next, pull it over the bolt for the charcoal canister. Put one of the nuts we provide in place and do it up. Next, get one of the other nuts we provide. Put it over the long bolt. It's got quite a long thread, so it'll be a bit faster if you do it up by hand. And get a short ratchet spanner if you have one. To do it up. And finally get the last two bolts we provide in place. Do them up. Don't forget your airflow meter and the boost line going to the boost controller. Now that's done, I'm going to start the car and I'm going to check if there's any irregular idle. Now this car does have a replacement airbag coming, but other than that, it's idling fine. Airbox is in, but before we go, I just want to answer a few more questions. Now, this is an airbox and how it will come to you as the customer. As you can see, they do not come pre-cut. We let the customer modify it to suit their turbo or intercooler setup. Along with that, we do supply brand new bolts and nuts needed for the installation. Now, if you have any other questions, you can send us a message on our website or on our Facebook or Instagram. That'll be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.